Hello students, today in this video lecture we will go through interjections. Interjections is also a parts of speech. So without wasting much time, let's have a brief description about these interjections.
Interjection. An interjection is a word which we use to express our sudden feelings and emotions. As a human beings, we are having lots of emotions and feelings. And to express these feelings, we use certain words. And these emotion words always proceed by some kind of punctuation mark. Now, you must be thinking, what is punctuation marks? This interjection is going to be followed. So, punctuation marks we often but not always use, and that is an exclamation mark. So, we can say that an interjection is oftenly followed by an exclamation mark also. Now, what is an exclamation mark? So, an exclamation mark is a kind of punctuation mark which is followed by one straight line and just below it one full stop, as you are seeing on this screen. One full stop and just above it one straight line, and this way we use this symbol exclamation mark. So also you can say that an interjection is always followed by an exclamation mark. Now, in English, here are few words which we use to express our feelings and emotions, like sadness, happiness, dislike, pain, silence, joy, or wonder. Lots of feelings. So we are having interjections words such as wow, hooray, ouch, bravo, alas, oh, shh, wow. Now, one by one, we will go through each of interjection word. So, the very first one is wow. Now, this wow interjection we use to show surprise or pleasure. For example, wow, what a beautiful car. And then exclamation mark you are seeing at the end of this sentence. Again, wow, what a lovely dress. Again, exclamation mark. What I have told you earlier, that an interjection will be always followed by mostly, not often, but mostly with exclamation mark. And you are seeing here both wow. In both sentences here you can see wow, what a beautiful car. Wow is followed by an interjection mark, and wow, what a lovely dress, again followed by interjection exclamation mark. So wow, suppose you are seeing a very beautiful car in front of your eye, and suddenly you are seeing that, and by looking at that car, the feelings which is coming from your inner side, that feelings will be expressed by the word wow. This way this example has been written. Wow, what a beautiful car. Wow, what a lovely dress. Second one, hooray. Now this hooray interjection is used to show emotion or joy. For example, hooray, we won the match. Hooray, my daddy has come. Now we always use this word hooray to express our feelings of joy and happiness. Next one is ouch. Now this ouch is used to show sudden pain, For example, ouch, it hurts. Now this word is showing the emotion of pain. Ouch is showing the emotion of pain. Ouch, you have stepped on my foot. Someone is going to stand on your foot by mistake, then you can use this word ouch. You have stepped on my foot. So this ouch is what? It is showing the pain that you are feeling on that moment. Next one is bravo. Now bravo is here. We used to praise someone. If someone is doing very well in his or her field, then we appreciate that person by using this word. For example, bravo, your performance was outstanding tonight. So what? We are praising that person that you have performed very well. Next one is bravo, well played. Again we are praising someone. Next interjection word is sh or S-double-H-H. We pronounce it like sh. This interjection we often use or anybody can use to express or you have to tell somebody to be quiet. For example, shh, the baby is sleeping. Suppose lots of children are here and there and now baby is sleeping. Then mother is saying that be quiet. They are making noise. Then mother can say that shh, the baby is sleeping. Shh, be quiet. So this way what? It is expressing that she is asking to somebody to be quiet. Next interjection word is alas. Now this interjection we use to express sorrow. Someone is feeling very sorrow, very sad, then we use this word alas. For example, alas, she is no more. Alas, Ria's pet is no more. When someone feels very sad, someone lost something, then we use this word alas. Oh, this is also interjection word and it is also used to express sadness, but not at that level of sadness as we use the word alas to express. Oh will be always it will be used to express sadness but not too much sadness. How? For example, oh, we lost the match. Oh, I forget to tell you something. Next interjection word is ah. Now this interjection word is used to express joy, wonder, sadness, or to state that one understands. For example, what a pleasant surprise. So here what? It is expressing the feeling of joy. What a pleasant surprise. And again you are saying it is followed by an exclamation mark at the last. Just see to it. Next example is I knew this will happen. So this was all about interjection words which we use in our day-to-day life. Oftenly we use ouch, wow, hooray, bravo. These kinds of words in day-to-day life we use. So it is used to express what? To express our feelings and emotions in a very sudden way. Sudden expression. These are what? These words are the sudden expression of our feelings and emotions. So in this video lecture we have gone through interjection words which are very certain interjection we have gone, just like wow, hooray, bravo, ouch, oh, sh. So these are the interjection words which we have gone through in this video lecture. So also an interjection is always followed by an exclamation mark. Don't forget it. This is the key point, that with interjection we often use exclamation mark. So I hope you all might have understood this interjection chapter. So once you also go through the chapter book exercise and try to solve the book exercise with yourself. Try to do it by yourself so that you can understand this chapter in a better way. Thank you.